This is your host Noor Ali, right IT tools for right job. So this is a HDMI cable tester. This is the master, this is the remote or the slave, however you want to say it, right? And the way it works is very simple. You're going to have a cable here, HDMI cable here, you're going to have an HDMI cable here. There's one more that fits here, and if you look on the other side, there's one here. Okay, so this one says HDMI mini. Okay, HDMI mini right there. Okay, this is your regular HDMI. So the idea is very simple. So all these are connections within the cable, right? If you're doing a lot of HDMI installs on the cable, if you come across a bad cable, that's the best way to test it, right? First you test the cable, then you test your ports on your monitor, on your display, on your computer, on your laptop. Then you do the software work, then you do the other work. This is your host, Noor Ali, right IT tools for right job. Thank you.